Prosecutors dropping all remaining charges in the death of Freddie Gray. Gray's death from a severed spine followed a ride in a police van, sparking riots. 6 officers were charged. 4 have been tried, none of them convicted, and tonight Baltimore is now on edge amid new questions about why the prosecution failed to make its case. ABC's David Curley from Baltimore tonight.
Riots after the death of Freddie Gray, but tonight, no one will be held criminally responsible. That stunning development coming as this police officer entered court to prepare for trial, when prosecutors announced they are dropping all charges against the remaining 3 officers. 3 other cases ending in acquittals on charges of not belting Gray into a police wagon during his transport. His neck was broken. The prosecutor remained defiant while still dropping the charges.
We do not believe that Freddie Gray killed himself. We stand by the medical examiner's determination that Freddie Gray's death was a homicide.
Still, there is a divide here, as the prosecutor charged some members of the police department with a biased and questionable investigation.
The comments made today about our officers by Ms. Mosby were outrageous and uncalled for and simply not true.
The Baltimore Police Department has made changes, and more may be coming. The Justice Department is investigating this city's police department, a probe that started after Gray's death in custody. David?
David Curley in Baltimore for us. Thanks, David. And next year to a...
See, this is a no-brainer fucking case. First of all they got to do is take fingerprints of the cops. That can prove where they were at. See, cops have the ability to do what's called indirect murder, conspiracy murder. All they got to do is make it look like, well, they may have an agreement. Okay. Now, what's the excuse for him not to be secured in there in the first place? That right there automatically would let a reasonable person know that harm is likely to happen. What is the reason for seatbelts? They fucking ticket people who don't wear their seatbelts in their cars. And then the prosecutor dropping all the charges. See, the thing is first of all, they got the cops union. The cops have got so many goddamn protections, it's fucking incredible, man. They got the fucking goddamn fucking grand jury. That's designed to protect dirty cops. That's not for citizens. I'd like to know why I can't get a fucking grand jury. Why isn't it public knowledge on how to get a grand jury? A grand jury is basically a tool for the prosecutor. It's supposed to be a tool for citizens. So, now, gee whiz. They're so fucking stupid, they don't know how to fucking check radios. They don't know how to figure out, as I said, check the fingerprints and everything like that. Check who was there and everything like that. Check their video cameras. See, there's all different kinds of ways. And the thing is the cops union probably got like $100,000 lawyer. So the thing is cops are protected so much incredible. But a fucking cop can get in your fucking face, get you so goddamn mad, and then put false charges on you, even though they fucking trapped you in the first place. So what goes on? Cops are protected too goddamn motherfucking much from their willful goddamn crimes. I got a PDF oath of arrest and prosecution. Poor man's Bill of Rights. All you gotta do is type in PDF oath of arrest and prosecution. It's only one motherfucking page. That's it. And it is equal to the bullshit. I recently read something that was over 100 motherfucking pages and didn't have a motherfucking thing to say. And a lot of times all the liars do is they reword everything and make it look like they got something to fucking say. So, the facts are, that prosecutor, chances are, there was some kind of a sweetheart deal for the charges to be fucking dropped. And then another reason why they waited so fucking long, oh, well, the crowd will cool down. They'll have cooler heads and everything like that. But the word is sent out. We're going to make it 10 times, 100 times harder to put a cop in jail than it is for a cop to put false charges on somebody and put them in fucking jail. Right now, there's somebody by the name of Gary Wayne Beck has been charged. He was baited, had his house taken away, had all kinds of shit done to him by code enforcement in Panama City, Florida. Baited him. Entrapped him. That's 777-201 of the Florida statutes. To maybe say words, maybe take actions that he normally wouldn't take. But see, the day that cops or anybody in the state's told, look here, you don't try to de-escalate the situation, then no other charges will be filed against this person. So this is exactly what happened. And Gary Wayne Beck has been in a crazy place called Chattahoochee for over a fucking year in a crazy house. It's a miracle that he's probably able to talk or anything like that. And I wouldn't be surprised as of July 27th, 2016, and July 29th, he's got a so-called competency hearing coming up. He's looking at 10 years in motherfucking prison. And I talked to Gary Wayne Beck, and he seemed to me like he wasn't a troublemaker. And so what happens is, as I said, the cops, they got too much fucking protection. This is what's going on. They got too much motherfucking protection. I think it ought to be that if a cop is right, the cops ought to back him all the way. If the cop is wrong, the cop ought to be told, we're going to bury your motherfucking ass. So anyway, this is Jimbikeman here, my 2 cents right here.